So the question is, what is the best way to earn yield? I'm sorry. What is the best way to yield from Bitcoin? Are there better options than Celsius, which is 6.2%? Okay. Bill, are you there? Is it just me or is there feedback? Okay.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now, honestly, you guys know me. I'm team Ethereum all the way. I'm pretty much an Ethereum maximalist at this point. Not quite, but close. I'm like 90% of the way there. But I did come across this interesting project called Badger DAO, which has been pretty popular. And now this is basically bringing DeFi and yield farming to Bitcoin. Now, we've not done a code review on this, so look into this with risk, do your own research, right? But I did find it very interesting. Let me actually go back to their homepage. It's badger.finance, right? And it's basically saying a DAO dedicated to building products and infrastructure to bring Bitcoin to DeFi, right? So you're asking for Bitcoin. Bill, do you hear that? There's some kind of person moving in the background. I'm not sure if it's just me or if there's a ghost. Okay, anyway, sorry guys. The perks of doing live streams live. But anyway, it's a DAO dedicated to building products for Bitcoin and DeFi, which goes back to my comments on the last live stream. I mean, if Bitcoin and DeFi, or if Bitcoin becomes just a token on the Ethereum blockchain, whether it's through Wrap Bitcoin or Rent BTC or SBTC or whatever, I mean, I think in the future, a couple years down the road, Bitcoin will just be a token on the Ethereum blockchain, which is crazy. I know the Bitcoin maxis don't like hearing that, but if people are getting more value transferring their Bitcoin onto the Ethereum blockchain, how can you not be bullish on Ethereum long term, right? But anyway, let's go back to what they have here. Yeah, so this has over $1 billion locked up now. So it seems like and the yield here seems pretty high. I'm not sure if these contracts have been audited, but if you're looking for yield farming for Bitcoin, worth looking into. We'll have our team do a code review on this and email this out to our customers. We send out weekly code reviews, typically about 5 projects every Tuesday via the newsletter to our customers. So we have Andy on our team looking into this. So we'll let you know if this is legit. But I mean, I think if you're a degen, look into this, but make sure you're protected. Don't put more than, I mean, for something like this, probably don't put more than 5% of your portfolio into this. And even then, try to get cover or insurance if you can through Nexus Mutual. I'm not sure if this is available for insurance, but basically, don't be reckless. Even though it's DGen, don't be reckless. But that's the best I know in terms of Bitcoin. Let's see what the audience has to say here. Anybody with any other ideas? Okay. Walker Lamer is saying Blockstack over Badger. Well, I think Blockstack is a blockchain. Like Stacks 2.0 is different. Also, with any other comments regarding Bitcoin DeFi? Actually, Curve Finance could also be an option. If we go to Curve, curve.fi, right? Because if we come here, do they have? Yeah, so there's Rent BTC, WBTC. So I would say if you have Bitcoin, look into those options. I know Diego loves Bitcoin. Diego, our business partner, loves that Ren and the whole Ren ecosystem. So I would look into Rent BTC, which basically allowing Bitcoin onto the Ethereum blockchain, and look into WBTC. So there's definitely options available, but there's also more risk of smart contract risk of getting hacked and all that stuff. So look into it, do your research. Bill, any comments on any of that?
Well, I think you pretty much covered it. I was interested in Badger because it's easy to meme, right? Because we're in that kind of world. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart on January 31st. It looks like, this weekend's pump, or the pump over the last couple of days, has kind of run out of steam. But I do think that these type of coins have potential, particularly if you look at the way they can be marketed. I know that sounds crazy. It's fundamentals TA, and dare I say it, but memeability. So if they can meme it and they can pump it, you got to take it seriously, particularly if it has either a decent chart or a decent fundamental case.
All right. Thank you, Bill.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.